Welcome back to the Bellis and Luci kitchen. I have a great recipe for your upcoming Valentine's Day dinners. The recipe was submitted by Chef Carly Terrell, and it is our February honorable mention winner. It is a pan-seared salmon with a sun-dried tomato bacon cream sauce. The omega-3 rich fatty acids in the salmon and the lycopene in the sun-dried tomatoes makes this a heart-healthy recipe for February. So first we'll get our bacon cooking, and this is going to be a topping for your salmon. So using the same pan, we'll keep the grease from the bacon and start to cook our salmon. Now we'll sear them about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So now that the salmon's cooked, we can take it out and set it aside and start with our sauce. So we still have enough oil from the bacon to start sauteing our onions and garlic for our sauce. So we're just gonna saute these until the onions are translucent. So we can go ahead and put our sun-dried tomatoes in, and I'm using a full 8.5 ounce jar with the oil. And then we'll add our spices. So I have paprika, Italian herbs, and red pepper flakes. Get that nice and mixed. So when that's finished cooking, we'll go ahead and add our chicken stock to deglaze our pan. So we'll let this simmer for a couple minutes just to make sure we get all the flavors on the bottom of the pan pulled up, all of that bacon and salmon. So the final step for our sauce is to now add our cream and Parmesan cheese. So now that we've finished the sauce, we can go ahead and put our salmon back in just briefly to warm it. So all the flavors, the bacon, the tomato, the cream, it'll all soak up into the salmon and really intensify it. So we can finally plate our dish. Now Carly's recipe called for any type of noodle, so use whichever is your favorite. We'll just take one salmon and make sure to get some of the sauce. Put it over the top. And then you can finish by garnishing some bacon. I love this recipe for February and for a homemade Valentine's Day dinner. Thank you, Carly, for submitting your recipe, and to all you other chefs, be sure to submit your recipe for our annual recipe contest, and be sure to check us out on our social media to see if you are our next honorable mention.